In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group by view in Google Sheets. If you've ever stared at a long spreadsheet and wished it would neatly organize itself by category or status, this is the fastest way to do it. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser and loading the spreadsheet you want to work with. Next, select the data you want to organize. Click and drag to highlight the full table, or press Ctrl+A on Windows, or Command+A on a Mac, to grab everything in one go. Make sure the selection covers your entire dataset so nothing gets left out. Include the header row if you have one. Now head to the top of the screen and click Data to open the drop-down menu. From there, choose Create a Group by View. This puts your sheet into a special viewing mode designed to cluster similar rows together so they're easier to scan. You'll be prompted to pick the column you want to group by. Click the header of that column, maybe it's status, department, or category, or any field that repeats across your rows. As soon as you choose it, your sheet will reorganize itself into clear sections based on those values. Each group pulls related rows together, so patterns and outliers stand out right away. Take a moment to experiment by switching the grouping column. Try a different field to explore your data from another angle. This doesn't change your raw spreadsheet. It only affects how it's displayed in the current view, which makes it perfect for quick analysis. If you plan to reuse this setup, save the view so you don't have to rebuild it later. Click Save View in the top right. Give it a descriptive name you'll recognize, and click Save. Anytime you need it, open the Views menu to return to this configuration. It's great for planning meetings or progress reviews when you want to pivot between different groupings without touching the underlying data. When you are finished, go to the Views menu and select Exit View to return to your original display. Your data goes back to its standard layout, unchanged. That's it. Thanks for watching.